In this video, I will show you how to run ads on Meta Business Suite. So first, just go and open up your Meta Business Suite, and from here go to the ads section right there. Now here in the top right, click on create ad. Now next, you can choose the goal of your ad. So get more messages, bookings, boost Facebook content, promote your page, get more calls, get more website visitors, or get more leads. I'll go with the last one here, which is get more leads. So then you can actually create your ad right here. So first you will need to have a phone number connected. So just click on start authentication if you haven't done so yet. Then after that you have your goal here, which in this case is get more leads. Now for an ad like this, where you are going to collect leads, you will need to have a form. So you will see, please create a form to be used with this ad. This displays when potential customers interact with your ad. So just go ahead and create a form. If you're not sure how you can do that, just click on the search icon here, and from here you can really easily just search form. And then here under tools, you can click instant forms and just create one. Now after doing that, you can either use a post as your ad creative, or you can upload something yourself. So you have the media right here, so you can click select media, and from here you can then upload something from your device. For example, I can just upload this thumbnail and I'll remove the standard one and click select. So then you will see it right there. Now here for the button label, you can choose what it says under your post. So over at the right here, you have a preview of your post. So right now it says apply now. For example, if I want to have learn more, then I can enter that. Then here the headline, you can basically also see that one right here. So for me it says how to stuff. So for example, we'll get a free consultation, and then it says apply now. So something like that. And then the description, here you want to just in a few lines write out what it is about, not too much text, and sometimes it helps to add a few emojis. Now from there you have the Advantage Plus Creative, so you can read exactly what it is and click on the info and see if you want it. Same with the special ad category. Then for your audience, do you want to set up a specific audience? I'll just do the Advantage audience, and this audience is based on your page details, and they will automatically adjust this over time. And of course Facebook has some incentive to get you the best results possible, so I just use their algorithm to optimize it. Now you can also create your own audience if you want, but I'm not going to do that for now. Then here choose the schedule and duration. So start date, you could set it to today and right now. You could also set it to start tomorrow, whatever you like to. Now you can run this ad continuously or choose when this ad will end. I'll just run it continuously, and you can always stop it if you want. Now here for the budget, you can choose how much you want to spend. So first you can choose which currency, for instance dollars, and you can see an estimated amount of reach that you will have per day. For example, for $5, I have between 1.2k and 3.5. If I go up to 10, then it goes up, of course. Then here you need to have a payment method on file so that they can actually charge you the daily budget right here. So just click add, and then you can add your payment method right there. Now once you have followed all of these steps, which shouldn't be too complicated, you can click schedule, or if you have multiple ad accounts, you can click on this drop down and then select which ad account you would like to use. Now if you click see all previews, you can see all of the previews right here, so how it looks on desktop, on Instagram, and all of that right here. So after clicking schedule, it will start on the date that you entered right there, and you have successfully set up your ad. From there you can go and optimize it, duplicate it, and create more if you want. And you can just start running ads on Meta Business Suite. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.